What's up YouTube? My name's Kenneth. Today I've got another unboxing. This one is a puzzle I bought from Chewy's Custom Stickers. I'm really excited about it. Let's open it up. Wow, this is such a cool looking puzzle. So this is a Floppy Super Sq-4, and it's kind of a mix between a few puzzles. It's obviously kind of like a floppy cube, which is like a one layered puzzle. So this is kind of a one layered puzzle. And then it's a kind of like a Super Sq-1 in that only this like axis can only be turned wherever the center is turned. So that's the Super Sq-1. So that's where the super comes from. And then it's kind of like a Sq-4 puzzle, which has all of the kind of small wedges like that. So anyway, it's got all those kind of puzzles mixed together, and it gives you one of the world's hardest to solve floppy type puzzles. And then this one is unique in that it's got this all black stickers, and it has this spiral kind of design here and this design on the side. And so each kind of wedge has a specific place where it belongs. So I couldn't just put like this wedge here. I couldn't put it over here. It has to go here for this kind of design to work. And so because of that, this is going to be even harder to solve. And so this is like one of the world's hardest to solve floppy puzzles. So I'm also excited because this was printed on a home FDM printer. So this is printed like with the same kind of printer that I have. And it shows me kind of what is possible with kind of 3D printing. That, you know, I should be able to do stuff like this from home if I get better at it. So that's really exciting. The quality is actually, and the quality is actually really good. I'm actually very impressed with how good this puzzle is. It's very stable. It's not like, you know, I can shake it and the pieces aren't rattling around or loose or anything like that. So far, like the few turns that I've done, you know, it turns pretty good. It looks really great. So, you know, I think Chewy's Custom Stickers, they're doing a really good job kind of producing these 3D prints of puzzles, and they're actually at a reasonable cost because it's using like a home printer. It's not using some super expensive printer. These, you know, this puzzle was reasonably priced. I think I paid something like $40 for it. I also like that they had this option that didn't have the normal Rubik's color scheme. I like this design. I think it's really cool. So, I mean, I think it's time to scramble it up and really see what it looks like all scrambled, and also to see if I can solve this thing. Well, there's no going back now. Like, I've just done a few kind of turns and I'm completely lost already. So I think this is going to be cool. Doesn't that look really cool as I'm scrambling it? I'm really impressed with this design. This is designed by Cubes Made Easy, and his YouTube channel is pretty kind of small and new, and I'm impressed with it. Like, I think this is great. I'm going to actually now spend some time to see if I can solve this. So I'm going to take it away from the camera, get comfortable, because I think it's going to take a while. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys. So I've been playing with the puzzle for about an hour, and this is as far as I can get. So far, if you follow this line here, I got this piece, this piece, this piece, all the way to here, and this one is wrong. You can see that notch is too low. Even though this kind of whole shape is correct, these last three pieces are wrong. But I can actually put that piece there, but if I do, it actually screws up this piece, and I can only kind of get that many in a row before I don't know what to do next. So I'm kind of at this mental block, and I can't go any further, and it's just getting too late. I don't think I'm going to be able to solve it tonight. So I'm going to end the video here. I'm actually a little disappointed. I want to be able to show you guys this really super hard puzzle and then show you guys how smart I am and I can solve it real quick. But that's just not the case. I can't figure this out, at least not tonight. So hopefully I can get to it, and I'll get back to you guys if I can solve it. But anyway, I'm impressed with this puzzle. Good job to Cubes Made Easy with a really cool design. I really like the sticker scheme. Good job to Chewy's Custom Stickers. Anyway, very exciting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit the like button if you liked it. And if you haven't subscribed, consider it. Definitely think about hitting that bell if you actually want to get notified when I make these videos. So if you're early, say hi in the comments. I'll be down there. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And of course, have a great day.